Hello, good evening. This is Coach Zion. I would like to help some people to know how to upload an advert and to do it in the right way. First of all, you go on the application and you open up our application. And once you open up an application, you log in. Now you can use your own account, or you can open up an account for a client which is inactive. Download an application, let you log in into the client's account which is inactive, and once you log in, you remember you have to be with the password and username. So you log into the account of the client. Now once you log into the account, the thing you do, you tap into the settings button. That is the button, the second last button on your right, on the bottom, which is like a settings button. So once you come here, you go on my adverts. So you click on my adverts. You want to upload. So down here on this page, you see the adverts you've uploaded so far. So there is a button down which is in blue, the plus button. You click on it. It brings the campaign name. For example, here now I can put a campaign name. For example, the company which you are advertising for, okay, or the campaign. Me, I will say special special training, because I need to upload an advert here. So the email address, you put the email address of the client. The phone number, you put also of the client, not you, the phone number of the client. Now many of you make a mistake when it comes to WhatsApp. You just put 0. When you put 0, you'll not be able to trace the WhatsApp number automatically. So you put plus. Make sure you put plus 256 if you're in Uganda. If you're in another country, you put the code, and you finish with the number which is on WhatsApp. Now when you come here at the goal, you can have sales, leads, others, etc., but not important. For now, you can just click sales. The next thing is to choose the ad type. Is it an image or a video campaign? Are you uploading a video or uploading a, if you're uploading a video, you click on video. If you're uploading an image, you click on image. For example, I will be uploading an image, and from here, the audience, is it show to all or show with district? For now, we are doing show it to all. So if it's an image, the minimum budget is 10,000, okay, and the maximum budget, it is as many as you want. If it's a video, you can see that my amount changes to 20,000, which is 100 views. So I'm going to upload an image, and I want 200. I want 200. It's hard to have a specific number here. It's exceeding something here. I wish I can have it. Let me leave this one. Okay. Oh God. 200. I know that we shall put this into just digits, not scrolling, because targeting the exact 200 may be a tug of war. It is 2002, because I'm going to use a coupon, which is the coupon. Okay, let me use 180. So once I'm done with that, the timing 30 seconds, and you click next. Now once you click next, on this page you upload the file. You look for where the file is. You click on upload file, okay, and you go into your gallery to choose where the image is. For example, here is my image. You tap into it, the image comes, and here you choose either mobile money or coupon. If it's mobile money, you check the phone provider where the money is. If it's Airtel, if it's MTN, put MTN. But I'm going to use a coupon. So if I use a coupon, they will ask for me coupon. So I go into my account to get a coupon. So I come into my account on the website. Here we have coupons. So I come on my coupons, and there is a coupon here which I copy this coupon, and once I copy it, I come back, I paste it here. Then the advertising code is the code that gives you the commission. Still, it is in your account. You go on your profile, you will find your advertisement code, which is here. So you copy it, just tap here and you copy it, and you come and you put it here. This is the code that gives you the commission. So you say next. So already the campaign is here, ready to go. The coupon you've seen, the advance code you've seen, special training. You say advertise. You say advertise. If it's mobile money, advert successfully submitted. So the advert is submitted. So I can come back here to check in my advert to make sure that the advert is really submitted. So the advert is here submitted, special training, but it is pending approval. So here, this way you have to wait as the technical team goes ahead to approve this advert to be played online. If it's mobile money, the same procedure you follow and use mobile money. God bless you. This is Coach Zion. Hope someone has learned something from today's video.